Good morning, guys. Welcome back or to the channel. In today's video, we're actually not working on the 60 or the 300 or the blue truck. We got some stuff for the white truck. So y'all know when I got the AFT parts clear tails, they did send me some bulbs. They ended up, I don't know what was the deal with those, if we're being honest, but I've been meaning to get some. Well, I was talking to our friends over at Lasfit the other day, because y'all know we just did the Lasfit switchback rock lights in the 60, and before I forget, I will put my discount code for Lasfit on the screen if y'all want to check them out or get anything. But they were nice enough to send me some taillight bulbs for the white truck, and at the same time I also got some reverse lights for the truck as well. So the reverse lights that are in there are LEDs, but they're let's see, I got those in 2015, I think. So they sent us some of their very nice bulbs. So these are red, I believe, and these are white. So anyway, now on this truck, the bulbs between reverse light and tail light are like interchangeable, so that kind of made things nice. So these are 3157s, and then the red 3157s there. So we're gonna go ahead and get the taillights out of the truck and go ahead and start getting these swapped over. My grandpa's already getting started on the, I don't know where he disappeared to, on the passenger side taillight. So these are our AFT parts clear taillights. They do look awesome in the truck, but I haven't been able to drive the truck because the lights don't work. So the really the only thing that worked was I flipped the prongs over and got the running lights to work, but I had no brake lights. So that was kind of the thing there. But anyway, I'm gonna get this out real quick. We'll go ahead and get these swapped over. And I mean, to do this, it's a 8mm. You have screw right here, and then another one down there. So pretty simple. But I'm gonna get this taillight out of here, and we will go ahead and start swapping these bulbs over. Also, guys, I wanted to mention again, there is a discount code on the screen, and I also wanted to mention I will leave a link down below to Lasfit if y'all want to check them out. You know, they're not paying me to make this video, but I do have an affiliate program set up with them. So if y'all want to support the channel and y'all want to check them out, I would appreciate it, especially if you use my code, and you will save 15% off of your order. Also, if y'all enjoyed today's video or got any value out of it, please consider get down there, hit that subscribe button. I really would appreciate it. But anyway, guys, let's get back to the video and check out these pretty sweet LED bulbs for the white truck. All right, so I just set the taillight back in it. It started sprinkling, but as you can see in there, we did get them installed. Now, unfortunately, looks like my taillights are turning yellow already, which is unfortunate. But I do believe these are non-polar, so they should work either way, but it's always a good idea to test them and just make sure. So he just got those in. We're going to test them out here in just a second. I will show y'all what they look like. We're just trying to get the taillights closed up. That way we don't have to worry about getting any rain in them or anything like that. So anyway, like I said, here in just a second we will test them out and I will show you what they look like. All right, so here we have the running light, brake lights. Brake lights work, reverse. There we go, and reverse. And there you have it. So I'm gonna get these all put back together. Now stay tuned to the end of the video. I am going to show you what these look like at night. Hopefully it doesn't rain tonight, and I can show you what they look like at night. But we're going to go ahead and get our 2 screws back in and get these all tightened up, and we'll shut the tailgate, and I will show you what it looks like here in a few moments. All right, guys, so now we got everything back on. Do running light. So there's running light, brake, reverse. There we have it. So these things are super bright. I know these tails kind of dim things down because of the way they're made and everything, but I think these are going to be super bright, especially at night. So anyway, I guess I will catch y'all here in a few hours when it gets dark, and we will take a look at the new bulbs. So that's you know, I think it'll be a nice little thing for the truck. Some fresh new reverse light bulbs, some nice fresh LEDs here. Now, like I said, the ones from AFT, I flipped the pins around so they did work, but all I had was running lights. So make sure he got the key. Yep. All right. So like I said, I'll catch y'all here in a bit, and we will take a look at these at night when it's all dark and everything. Hopefully it's not raining. If so, we'll have to wait till another day. But anyway, like I said, I'll catch y'all here in a bit, or maybe another day, and we will take a look at these, and let's see how they look. Now, I'm sure, like I said, they look pretty bright in person, so I'm sure they're going to be more than sufficient. So anyway, like I said, I will catch y'all here in a bit, or another day if we have to do that. But I think probably going to get with them, see if we can go ahead, swap all the other LEDs out of the 300, the 60, and get him something for this. But like I said, catch y'all either another day or later today, and we will take a look at these at night. All right, so that's my grandpa's brother leaving. He come over and visit and whatnot, and I engraved some stuff for him, but I know y'all can't see, but we're here at the white truck. So I'm gonna connect the battery cable. I've been disconnecting this thing, that way don't have to worry about it draining, because I don't never really drive it. But anyway, so like I said, was visiting with him and whatnot. It's probably 10 o'clock or better, but here we go. So do running light, and I'm gonna shut the door so y'all don't have to listen to that, and we'll take a look. Now, I know my license plate lights are ridiculously bright, but as you can see, the taillights are also very bright. So I'm gonna find something to stick on the brake pedal, that way we can see brake lights and whatnot, and I'll show you all that real quick. All right, so found a toolbox in here, and we have brake lights. Now, yes, I know the camera lens is dirty because it's very humid today, but that is insanely bright. For being honest, I know the camera doesn't pick it up real well, but that is insanely bright. So now, for my next trick, I'm gonna figure out how. Well, shouldn't be too big a deal. Put it in reverse, and I'll show you all that as well. Set that, do that, pull this, truck, don't roll away, and reverse lights. Now, I know I also have pods back here, but even at that, I mean, if I stand in front of this one, you can still get an idea. You know, that is pod, and then if I move, that is pod, but I can cover it, and you can get a pretty good idea. That is, that's bright. So, there we have it. Now, like I said, very, very happy with that, and now I can drive the truck. So, I would say that is a win. So, anyway, I'm gonna shut all this down, and we'll probably end out the video here. All right, so there we have it. Now, I thought ahead, and I went ahead and filmed an outro for this video earlier, but I would say all in all, for you know, that style of taillight, I'm pretty impressed, all in all. So, anyways, guys, I guess that's probably gonna be a wrap for this one. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and film an outro before we finish the video. That way I'm not filming one in the dark and y'all can't see anything. But that's that. So like I said, I haven't seen these at night. I haven't finished the video, but that is the new LED taillights or bulbs for the white truck. Now, sorry, the camera's fogging up because of the humidity. There we go. That might help us out for, hold us over for a few minutes anyway. But like I said, that is the new Lasfit taillights for the white truck. Now, like I said, I will leave a link down below if y'all want to check out Lasfit, as well as my discount code. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, I am an affiliate, so if you do purchase something, I get a little kickback, and you save 15% if you use my code. So like I said, I would appreciate it, and I get to help y'all save some money as well. But anyway, guys, I think that is going to be a wrap for this one. Big thank you to Lasfit for working with us again on the channel. And again, I think I'm gonna see if we can work on something for these two, and some more stuff for these two. Go ahead and swap all of my LED stuff out for Lasfit parts, and try to get my grandpa some stuff as well for his truck, because I know he's been enjoying doing some stuff with it, and so have I. But anyway, guys, like I said, I think that's going to be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed today's video or find it helpful, please get down there, hit that like button, drop me a comment, and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. I would appreciate it. Trying to get to 4,000 subscribers for the end of the year. But thank y'all for watching, and I hope everybody has a great day.